The anatomy of a zipper is pretty straightforward. There's the zipper tape, which is usually woven in a way that shows a stitching guideline. There's some kind of top stop, and some kind of bottom stop. There's a slider or zipper head, and a zipper pull or tab. Most zipper heads have a locking mechanism built in, where the pull has to disengage an internal stopper before it will unzip. But if you're ever offered the option of non-locking, it'll unzip on its own under tension. You probably won't want that. The zipper teeth is where it gets interesting. There's my personal favorite, coil, which is basically a flexible wire that's sewn to the tape in a spiral, and the two sides bite into each other when it's zipped. Most coil zippers can be sewn through, cut with scissors, and they're pretty sturdy. One type of coil zipper that stands out is the invisible zipper. It's made in a way that when the fabric is stitched close to the teeth roll back and you don't even see the zipper. Another type of teeth is metal, like you see on jean flies and leather jackets. They're also common on vintage dresses. My least favorite type of teeth is molded plastic. They're good for certain things like decorative zippers and sci-fi costumes, but they're not as easy to resize as the others, they're bulkier, and they tend to split under stress more easily. Zippers are manufactured to be one of two things: open or separating, and closed or non-separating. Invisible zippers are always closed or non-separating. And finally, besides coming in different lengths, zippers also come in different sizes, from 2 up to a size 10, and now even comically large sizes. Usually the back of the zipper head will be engraved with the size and manufacturer. YKK is the most common and trusted brand. If you're not sure what size to use for what, take a peek inside the garments in your closet, or the next time you're clothes shopping. Look at the zipper heads to see what sizes they are, and you'll be able to start identifying them pretty quickly.